In Dhanushkoti, which is the last land tip of India, we are standing almost at the same spot where Modi government is planning to come up with a new station, a 900-meter station, Dhanushkoti railway station. And why so? Because prior to 1964, this is the same place where there was a railway line, there was a railway station. But in 1964, there came a cyclone which destroyed almost everything. The entire area, this city was destroyed. And if we talk about this particular location, so over here, this was a customs area, and the ferry ships used to come and they took the people or even the luggage from this point to Sri Lanka, because Sri Lanka is very nearby to here. In kilometers, if we talk about it, is hardly 18 to 20 kilometers, and this was the customs area, but that too got destroyed in the 1964 cyclone. And that building that you are seeing, it is a historical building because that was the railway station, Dhanushkoti railway station. It was there, and these are the remarks that is still left. As you can see, lighthouse, it has been built as recently, but yes, this building is the same spot where there was a station in 1964, and this station also got destroyed in this cyclone. But now over here, the government is planning to come up with a railway station. And why railway station? Because government wants to have a rail link between Rameshwaram and Dhanushkoti, which is a 18-kilometer of patch. So a 13-kilometer elevated track, while 5 kilometer of ground level track will be laid down. In total, a 10-kilometer railway track has been planned to be laid down, and this will provide a affordable and a reliable mode of transport to people, especially those tourists who wants to come to the last land tip of India, which has got a religious as well as historical importance. Now, this entire project of building up a railway track as well as a station over here is somewhere close to 723 crore. The survey has been done, the report has been prepared, which has been submitted to the Railway Ministry for further approvals. But talking about this particular location, Dhanushkoti, where we are standing as of now, there are multiple marks which gives you a sort of a glimpse that how prosperous this entire location was before 1964. So let me give you a final view. As you can see, this was the customs area. Towards the right side, which you see, these are sort of an encroachment as said by the railway officials, and towards my right side is the railway station which was destroyed in 1964. But now railways has done the survey, and the red pillars that you are seeing, the red stone pillars that you are seeing over there, these are actually the marks that has been put up by the railway ministry as these are marks of the upcoming railway station. So yes, in coming years, there will be a Dhanushkoti railway station, and the detailed report has been submitted to the Railway Ministry for further approvals.